The Apex 100 redefines luxury with a full 100 meters of revolutionary design.
We're within tolerance.
Locking it in now.
The alignment on the starboard side looks off by 2 millimeters.
Noted. Adjust the tension on cable 3.
Control, this is Alpha 1. Proceed as planned, slow and steady. We are clear on this side.
We are incredibly proud of the progress here. The structural components you see in red are designed to withstand even the harshest deep space conditions.
Lowering sequence initiated. We are clear on the alignment.
Confirmed. Slow and steady.
As you can see, the alignment of the new Series 5000 is critical during this phase. We are lowering it slowly to ensure the mounts connect properly.
The measurement here is 4.02 millimeters.
That aligns with the schematic. The seating is perfect.
We need to verify the alignment on this bearing before we proceed.
Looks correctly seated in the fin pocket. I'm satisfied with the setting.
Okay, lower it slowly now.
Watch the alignment on your side. Easy.
Easy now. Drop it 5 centimeters. Hold it there.
Looks good from here. Slowly down.
The material you see here is critical for the structural integrity of the hull. It's lightweight, yet incredibly strong.
Easy now, easy. A little to the left.
Copy that, moving left.
Looks good from here, steady.
All right, easy now. Bring it down slow.
5 more centimeters to the left.
Looks aligned, set her down gently. Just a hair to starboard, hold it there.
Hey, steady.
Perfect. Weld it down.
Make sure the alignment is perfect on that edge.
It's secure, moving to the next one.
Check this seam when you get a chance.
Weld sequence 57 complete. Data looks good on the penetration test.
The black composite must compress to spec, as it is the last link in the anti-vibration chain.
As you can see, the massive structure is now complete. The engine room is fully sealed and the installation of the glass is finished.
Crane 1, easy on the descent.
Roger that. We are aligned.
Confirm contact, release tension on the straps.
Check the gap on the top right.
It's exactly 3 millimeters.
We are good to proceed.
Check the alignment on the starboard side.
Right.
Looks good from here. Secure the base. Check the pins on your side, B. All locked. Torque is good here, solid as a rock.
The yacht's massive shell is sealed and certified from the keel to the mast.
Easy on the left side.
Secured. Plumbing looks clear for access.
Confirmed. We're all set here. Keep it tight to the tray right there.
Got it. Securing the clamp now.
This is the primary feed. We're clear on the bend here, correct?
Correct. Confirmed. Secure the Velcro.
Okay, hit the final sequence on the port side. Torquing now.
Easy now, easy.
A little to the left, slow.
Watch the corner, steady.
Perfect, set it down.
Steady, keep it clear of the AC line.
Confirmed. Almost through.
The wood is panelled, the marble is laid, and the electronics are fully wired, transforming this aluminum shell into a watertight and luxurious space.
We have contact on the forward blocks. Copy, transferring weight. Looking good back here. All hands maintain current tension. We are proceeding through the gate. Copy that, forward tug holding steady.
Я без сомнений все.
Engine room ambient noise is nominal. We are maintaining silent running protocol on electric power.